Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And once again, if you are on 23H2 and you were not seeing 24H2 arrive through Windows Update, I would suggest that you might go and check it out again today. Why? Because there's one of the biggest, I think it was this one of the major blockers for upgrading to Windows 11 24H2 has now been removed by Microsoft. This means if you check for updates on 23H2, you might now see 24H2. What's the blocker? Well, if you're an Intel-based PC, one of the biggest problems that prevented you from upgrading because it was creating blue screens and freezes was the famous Intel Smart sound technology driver. This had a huge issue, and it was a problem. It's been a problem for over a year. It's been a problem for a long time. And now it does say resolved external, which means your PCs should have had, and the updates, one of them would be a updated driver from the manufacturer. And some of it comes from either the manufacturer of your PC, if it's a brand PC. It could also come from an Intel driver itself. But until the drivers were pushed out, Microsoft had kept the blocker in effect because it didn't want to have people move on and blue screen suddenly on 24H2. So check it out. It should be there. And if you do have the Intel Smart Technology driver in, you can actually check it out if you go to the device manager in your PC and look at the sound devices. This here, if you see something that's called Smart SST drivers or Smart Technology drivers, that means that maybe if you still don't see 24H2, you should probably go to the manufacturer of your PC and see if they have an updated driver. But for the most part, you should have Windows 24H2, Windows 11 show up now if this was one of the blockers for you. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.